Hello, and welcome to the GBC Productions YouTube channel. This is episode 13. In this video, we're going to take a look at my 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass Cruiser. First, let's take a look at the commercial that was on the air at the time.
Good morning, America, how are you? So don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm the car they call Cutlass Sierra.
This car has captured the spirit of America. Oldsmobile quality does make a difference.
I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done.
Oldsmobile quality. Feel it.
Alright, so here we have the Buick 3.8-liter engine starting. It is sequential, port, fuel injected, and waste spark ignition. It is a pushrod engine, putting out 150 horsepower and 200 foot-pounds of torque. Here's the roof before the restoration. The left rear quarter panel. More of the left rear. The right rear. And this is the right strut tower and the rocker panel of the driver's door. This is the left rear wheel well. The car with a couple doors removed. Some more doors removed. Mismatching panels. This is the parts car that arrived, which was kind of nice. See, it was in an accident, but overall in pretty decent condition. Okay, in this picture, we're taking a look at the left rear quarter panel removed from the parts car, and then my car, where the new panel is going to go. Here's the right rear quarter panel fixed up. We can see the hood is prepped and things are getting aligned for paint from the other side. Here's the doors getting ready for paint. Tailgate has some primer on it. The doors painted and a couple fenders, it looks like. Here's the car all primed up. Some cutting in. And before the cutting in, the front bumper cover painted. The hood. Doors and tailgate painted. The car painted. And reassembled. Now the emblems haven't been put on at this point yet. Hood ornament and hood trim installed. Shot of the dashboard all cleaned up. The seats, pillow top seats. Third row seat, seating for 8. 75 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats folded down.
There's a special feeling in Oldsmobile.
All of the bodywork was performed at Gillies Auto Body. Link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.